Tired of paying a $20 monthly subscription for Gemini Advanced? What if you could get enterprise-level Gemini with absolute data privacy for fractions of a penny? Let me show you how in TensorPilot. First, head over to the AI Provider Setup tab. Click the link next to Google Gemini to jump straight to Google AI Studio. Simply click Create API Key, give it a quick name, and copy the generated key to your clipboard. Head back to TensorPilot, paste your key into the Gemini field, click Save, and agree to the terms. It is that easy. Your key is encrypted locally, and you are instantly connected. Now jump into the All Models tab and filter by Gemini. You have just unlocked Google's entire suite of models from a single key, and the best part? Look at the live pricing column. There are no monthly fees. You only pay wholesale, pay-as-you-go prices for the exact input and output you use. Let's see this power in action. Head over to the Studio tab and select Image Mode at the top left. Choose Google Gemini from the Provider dropdown and select the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. You can see the exact cost per image displayed right there. Let's hit Generate. And there it is. When we click on the generated image, you can see the exact breakdown on the right, including how many fractions of a cent this stunning high-resolution image actually cost. But we don't stop there. Click Send to Chat to teleport this image directly into a new workspace. Let's ask Gemini 3 Flash to explain this image. In seconds, we get a detailed visual analysis, and the total cost for this powerful multimodal task, just 0.0017 cents. It is the ultimate cost-saving flex. Because you're using TensorPilot, you aren't just getting a chat alternative. Check out the Video tab to access models like VO 3.1, or the Audio tab to generate speech with Gemini 2.5 TTS. It's a complete multimodal media studio, all running off your single API key. Stop overpaying for AI subscriptions. Get access to the entire Gemini ecosystem today. Download TensorPilot from the link in the description below.